begin the process of pipetting, the pipette must be rinsed clean of any previously used chemicals. To perform this process, the pipette must be filled with water and tilted back and forth as shown, before being emptied. This process should be repeated 3 times. Next, the pipette must be coated with the test chemical in order to ensure the most accurate results. In order to do this, an amount of the solution should be taken into the pipette, and the pipette should be tilted in order to coat the entirety. This should be repeated 3 times as before. The test solution is collected from the stock bottle. You should never pipette directly from the stock bottle. The stock solution is the concentrated solution which will be diluted, in this case a 20% sugar solution. The stock solution is transferred using the glass pipette to the volumetric flask. The volume in all glassware should be measured at the meniscus, a curve in the surface of the solution caused by surface tension and attraction of water molecules to the container, or adhesion. To measure the volume of stock solution used, read the initial volume in the pipette, which in this case read as about 2.57, and the volume left in the pipette once some of the solution is transferred into the flask, which in this case read as about 9.82. The volume of the stock solution used is simply the initial volume of the pipette minus the final volume of the pipette. Then water is added to the flask using a transfer pipette to the final volume of 25 milliliters as marked on the flask. Dilution is the process of reducing the concentration of the stock solution by adding additional solvent, in this case water, to the stock solution. The concentration of the final dilute solution is found by using the equation of initial or stock concentration times the stock volume, set equal to the final or dilute concentration, in this case X, multiplied by the final volume, in this case 25 milliliters. This process is performed 4 times total in order to make an accurate dilution table. All data is recorded in lab notebooks and a dilution table is created. Before leaving the lab, it is important to clean off your lab table for the next group behind you.